Amen. It's amazing to have you guys. If you're happy and you know it, let me say, oh yeah. Thank you. First things first, I need to appreciate the VIPs. Oh man, those who bought tables to support me tonight, please clap for yourself. Okay, those who fluked themselves on the tables that were bought and you are here, clap for yourself. You are good at what you do. That is how you'll enter heaven without being noticed. Amen? Yeah, oh man, but this thing is not easy. I saw a show in Nigeria. My best friend Basket Mob was doing a show. Table was 7 million naira. I said, Kash, you're big in northern Uganda. Let your table be 1 million. Members selling a table of 1 million. My father looked at the poster and he asked me, said, but first of all, whose table are you planning to steal? I told him, I said, Daddy, this thing is a table they put at the event. People come, sit, and they enjoy. They sit like VIPs. He said, yeah. So after the show, what happens to the table? I told him they leave it there. I said, no. Man, the thing is not easy, man. It's not easy. Let me appreciate those who are behind. Yeah. Behind us. How are we doing? This life is not easy. We try hard. We force. But you have to improve. Hey, those who are standing, how are you? You're trying to be told by force. Thank you so much, man. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to be on stage and of course entertain you. I see my good friends here. I've seen Doctor is here. My dream was to be a doctor, let me tell you. But just that in Uganda, Uganda give me bale matiri moja ipo inoiti wa microphone. But by a true story, apenye in Nasari. K3, mama rupe wa Kash member wa doctor de ganyi. Members I told you P7. I'm not here me fucking so not here me wewe. Apenye P7. Result dugu queen. Kiro Jimmy we. And when? If you want, we quite want to kill it. You require to call Padre Lingo. And when? My man opened the way Cash. Kaitoni Senior. Immediately big mom. I went, Mommy, Dr. Gangia, Dr. Cash. Yeah, there, Jimmy, why get a primary team? My LG down now, I senior. Don't you senior one? No, Jimmy Mogo, history, 099. I call a moment to a doctor. I call history to a very doctor. Don't you can you? Senior 2. I don't know Jimmy Mogo Penya without. Ningi Beke Penya, can give bio. Members were paying senior 4. A Carmana paying senior 4 and a Carma, Gameta Uganda introducing system. Pay Cherika Quantara resigning. Iri Peruki Gang can't try to make a message. The Queen. Second, they can't no ticket to reaching. Jocha Gora Keraburu, he carried here. Hey, doctor, result to go. Be what we do. Where we go, Kara. But I don't know what the end. I'm going to Japan, waking nipple, the two milk queen of a full year, and they just like it. I like you while there, but I would pull this here for the dollar. Should you want to know the queen? I try to message lean. Get your guy lemon up. You are just celebrating and you got when you click. Yeah, we are narrow. Jack when you resign. We check you get a dana. It's Jack come away. I'm your curriculum. I don't resign. Leave CRET1 with very good apple. I went up that kind of it. Ain't no getting more than ever. Aya, whatever number you leave. Ubiru, history D1. Other now going to the doctor, the guy. Keep on an auto and you come look a comment. Leave, biology, F9. I call the money Nungeo, I call Mackay Quality Doctor. And we F9. And around the quack doctor here. I call about your physics, leave. F9. So how about it? I will be more rapid with design when I come to the pay up conclude your tomorrow. What about that leave? Mathematics in you with me a bit that tower. Again, no talk away to your answer and I go out to get out of leave F9. Mama, I went to resign, make a dark, and they can be quite like whatever you never marry to tell a children was on. Get out of it, the skill me, I can go away, give it on me, I can make a ticket, one and tip over in that normal. What about you can leave? Make go out about it. Oh, I can't make quite where I make it, and I will cook, give not all about ballet picking you. Where they don't get it quick. I call it when you resign, where I pour, why you are mad, where cash. Kill a good result in it. That kind of fruit better. I wear alcohol. Plan on the table, doctor. El Cavado, oh, Yeri, oh, by Leo Dom. Bobby Park, the secretary, officer, doctor. Piani Uganda, Naruma Kenyawo, officer doctor, no, Kikwano, the doctor. Go back. If you tell you are taking no, not Luperi, the officer doctor in Woodingo. Eh? One Baku doctor come to build to a nurse, the pepper to request. Can you then have one year, but then let it go with me when about a doctor and Amen, but I am so happy to see if you're a doctor and you're here by show of hands. Yeah, I'm going to get a piece of Oh, wow. Do we have whites in the building? Wow, this is amazing. Please don't clap for that. Oh, big bro, how you doing? I see you're enjoying Uganda. What a fashion. Yo, bro, I'm talking to you. You understand? You hear me? You do that t-shirt? That PD t-shirt? No, man, we don't do that, man. No, I'm saying? More get well, no, I'm saying? I better pay right now. I'm saying it come on. Can't really you know what I'm saying. Tell me to open pay you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Yo, man, come on, give me that, bro, man. I salute you, bro. Thank you. Oh, but you people, COVID is bad, oh. Before COVID, the whites used to donate to Africa. After COVID, it is Africa donating to the whites. COVID has made our sponsors to move around the world. Uganda has been receiving donation from China. I love Chinese. In Uganda, if you're here, if you see a Chinese, salute. That is the boss, donor. But I was shocked to find my donor in Juba, South Sudan, mopping. I said, what is wrong? This is how the donors are looking for money. He was mopping a hotel. I said, Jing Mong was mopping, Jing Mong. With the trial, Uganda is not easy, by the way. Please, if you're Ugandan, clap for yourself. Okay, if you're not clapping, you clap for Ugandans who have clapped for themselves. We are trying. Life in Uganda basically is hard, but you people, I have a problem. Do we have if you're my hobby and you're here by show of hands? Yeah, that is a testimony that I am not a fool. I went to school. Stand up, hobby, huh? Stand up. Stand up. Yeah, you better pay you like a right. All the roads are in nursery school, they don't get hobby. Every you may be porridge made. You cannot be my hobby from nursery. That is porridge. Porridge affair. We were not studying. Man, I'm so happy to be here with you. And if you're happy, please clap for yourself. Wow. I have been doing some small research, ladies and gentlemen. 10 years ago, we didn't have this issue of nyash. Why? It was first by then, first. Figure, first. Right now, even if you have first, no nyash, that is poor. I can't take a walk, pay no man. Never is a nyash. Listen, I did my research and I learned so much about this thing called nyash. Nyash na nyash, nyash na nyash, nyash na nyash. Yo, bulesi na bulesi yo. If you don't have, shake your head, yo. If you realize, back in the days, doctors were the reason why many people did not have. Let me tell you why. You have headache, they inject. You cough, they inject. You have fever, same spot. They don't change, same spot. Nyash was suffering. You have fainted. This one that they are just supposed to give you juice. It is suffered. There was no space for it to grow. No space. Nowadays, you have typhoid. Candela. You have headache. You have HIV. Kumbe, you know how they treat. Do you have your OB? You understand? So all the treatment has changed from here to ends, giving space to. But if yours is not, what is the problem, madam? Okay, at least if you don't have, grow here. Let this one be no member of flat tummy. But why? You will understand when you are drunk. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's amazing to have you today.